Today we're showing you a 2011 John Deere 5075M tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just over 500 hours. It's in excellent condition inside and out. Paint is excellent on the tractor. Again, it is the two-wheel drive version. 5-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with turbo, has 75 horsepower. It does have the mid-loader valve. If you want to add a loader, that can easily be done. It's got the toolbox right there on the side. 16.9/28 rear tires, barely show any wear. Got the telescopic mirrors on both sides of the cab. Work lights on the front and back of the cab. Heavy duty rear axle. Telescopic 3-point arms with the stabilizer bars. Has 540 and 540 EPTO. Drawbar and top link are both there and are included. Dual rear hydraulics back here. You're looking for a nice two-wheel drive cab tractor. This one fits the bill perfectly. Inside the cab, it's very nice and clean in here. Plastic still on the seat. That's a Deluxe suspension seat. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. To the right here, you've got your two main transmission sticks. You've got 4 ranges back here, 4 synchronized gears up top here, which gives you a total of 16 speeds. Again, does have the factory installed joystick. If you do choose to add a loader, that's certainly easy to do. On the control console, you've got your hydraulic controls, 3-point controls, hand throttle, PTO, selector, and engagement. Up top, you've got the radio, climate controls, rearview mirror, and sun visor. And as you can see, interior looks just like the exterior. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.